Hi, I'm Rafael and I'm the master driver in Transportes Martin. Here in my hand I have a remote control. Guess what it's for? As you can see there, we have a brand new and shiny Scania truck. Let's see if the remote control can open it. It seems yes. Yeah, it's open. Bingo. Oh, it smells new. It smells new. But let's see another function of this frisky remote control. It has some buttons with lights icons on it. I wonder what's their function. Let's try. Oh, amazing. With this remote control you can check all the external lights of the truck by yourself. So that's all for today. Thanks for watching.